ElroyzToyz here. Just got home from collecting the Romulus, Michigan rat lock from Sparrow. Now we're going to get inside and get the code. Oh, great. I will send that to them. Awesome game. I'm glad it made it to my area. I was at work. I told the boss I had to take off a little early, about a half hour early. It was a hour and a half drive from work, and the way home was about a 2.5 hour drive back. But all was good. It was fun. Glad I could participate. Thank you guys for doing this. It's awesome. See you guys later. Thank you.